Hello students, this chapter is about matter from class 6 chemistry. Okay, so here we'll talk about matter. This matter word we have used before also. Matter, whatever we say, there is one definition. What definition? See, anything that occupies space and has mass means what? Like in your table, your study table, there is your book, your pencil, your pen. So that each and every object they are all living or any different kinds of material. They have their own space in that table, and it has also a mass. Like your mother has given you one glass of water or one glass of milk in your table. That is liquid, that has also a mass in your table. It has occupied a space in your table. So that is obviously a matter. Okay. Here are some examples I have shown you of solid matter, liquid, gas. Solid, what you can say here? Many things are there around you solid. Okay. Some pillars, then false teeth, hammer. Okay. Yeah, etc. etc. Liquid, what? Like bathtub, okay, tea, then ocean, river water, juice, these all are liquid. Then gas, what are gas? Fire, the steam from the soup, lava, okay, then steam from the coffee or tea, gas, all these all are matter. Anything that has space and also has some mass is what? Nothing but known as the matter. Now here we'll discuss about the characteristics of matter. So things around us are made up of different kinds of material. So it has two main characteristics. What are those? Those are that matter occupies space and matter has mass. So how the matter will occupy space? Here two examples or two experiments I will show you before you. One by one on the slide. Here it goes. Matter occupies space. All material, including air, that we cannot see, that will occupy the space. Okay? And the amount of space occupied by the material thing is called as volume. Okay, now let's take here about one liquid in a beaker. 100 ml or 105 ml of water is there. Okay, this marked as X before. Then one block is just immersed on that water, and immediately as it is immersed, what happens? That from 100 ml to that layer, it gone from 100 ml to 200 ml directly. Means what? 100 difference. Okay, 100 difference. And here again, if you take out the cube, what you will get? Same again, water level 200 ml, X mark. Means what? As soon as you have put that solid block inside the water, inside the volume of the water, it changes. Means that block has some space. So this is known as what? Matter occupies the space. Okay. Now next we will study matter has mass. So matter has mass. All material things including air that we cannot see contain an amount of matter in it, and this is known as its mass. How? Let's see. In diagram A there are two balloons. Both the balloons are inflated first. In diagram B, what happened? The blue balloon is then deflated. Just it is pinched there, it has burst, and it is flew. No air is there. Okay, blue balloon, no air. Orange balloon was there. But as soon as that blue balloon is deflated, what happened? That balance, it became different. The orange balloon has some mass, means air is there inside it. Okay, it has gone down because it is heavier than the deflated balloon. Okay, so from here we will know that air has what? Mass. Okay, so now we'll discuss about some nature of matter. So matter is composed of tiny particles. Okay, they're very small particles, and these particles are nothing but atoms, ions, molecules. Okay, an atom is the smallest particle of the matter, and it has all the properties. Usually what happens, atoms of most of the material do not have independent existence. Thus they combine with another one to form the molecule. Okay, and these molecules are the smallest distinguishable unit into which a matter can be divided. Okay, as there are molecules, different molecules, so it will be distinguishable which matter is what. So first diagram, you see two oxygen atoms are there. One oxygen atom, another one oxygen atom, and both these two oxygen atom will make oxygen molecule O2. That oxygen we take no oxygen, that oxygen is O2, not only O. O is only oxygen, that is one atom, but two oxygen atoms together will make O2, that we take it. Okay, like carbon dioxide, carbon one atom and two atoms of one oxygen. So together when they overlap each other, they make a pair, then it will be CO2. And another is one water molecule. Two hydrogen and with one oxygen. Two hydrogen atom, one oxygen atom will form water, H2O molecule, means water molecule. Okay, these are the nature of the matter. Now this nature of matter, what happened, it was taken as some particles of matter began moving, constantly moving. This concept is taken by Robert Brown in 1827. He gave this evidence. How he gave this? Once what happened, he suspended a pollen grain, pollen grains from flower. So pollen grain in the water, and he observed in the microscope. He saw that pollen grains were rapidly moving in the surface of water. Then he explained that the water is composed of some tiny particles which are moving very fast, and these fast moving particles continuously strike against the pollen grain. So it shows as like a zigzag. Okay. There he gave this term the Brownian motion, which the movement of the particles. This is also one nature of the matter. Clear, students? Now next we will study one by one the states of the matter. The states of matter, first is the solid state. Solid. Okay, it will have a fixed shape, isn't it? So let's see the properties. Solid molecules are tightly packed, thus they have a fixed shape and a fixed volume. Number 2, the intermolecular force of attraction in the solid molecules is the strongest. Number 3, solids do not have fluidity, it will not flow. Okay. Number 4, solids do not fill their container completely. They will be remain blank. If some ice cubes you keep in one a glass, there will be some gaps there. Okay. Solid cannot be compressed much. So these are the 5 properties of the solid. Next we will study liquid properties. See, liquids have loosely packed particles. It will flow. Okay, it will flow. Liquids have a very fixed volume but no fixed shape. It will take the shape of the what? The container that is placed. And liquids will flow easily, and liquids cannot be compressed. Okay, these are the second state of matter we have studied. Last state of matter is what? Gaseous state. So gaseous state properties. Gases have very loosely particles. Okay, it will just means what? All are enemies to each other. One will hit another, another will hit another. Okay. Gases have neither a fixed volume nor a fixed shape, and gases can flow very easily, and it will fill the container completely in which it is placed, and gases can be compressed very easily. Okay. Why it can be compressed easily? Can you give an example? Take an example of a balloon, inflated balloon. We can compress the air inside the balloon and keep it, isn't it? So till here, this part 1 of this chapter is finished. Hope you have liked it. So lastly, I will go next on the arrangement of the molecules on the part 2 of this chapter. So till then, stay safe, stay good. Thank you. Bye-bye.